Here we divide 263 by 2 in long division method. So 2 times 1 means 2. On subtracting we get 0. So now we put down the number beside this 6 and we remove this 0. So 2 times 3 means 6. On subtracting we get 0. So now again we put down the number beside this 3 and we remove this 0. So 2 times 1 means 2. On subtracting we get 1. So now this 1 is less than 2 and there is no other number beside. So we put here decimal so that we take 0. So now it became 10 and 2 times 5 means 10. On subtracting we get 0. So 263 divided by 2 is 131 decimal 5. So this much for today and thanks for watching.